In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time, okay? Now, if you open WhatsApp like this, you can see there's an indication that you deleted these messages, but I want to recover the message that was deleted. What do? Don't panic. Just click on the home screen button, then click Play Store, then here search, recover, deleted, just type deleted messages. Now here you will see this tool labeled recover deleted messages, this one here. Now just go ahead and install the tool, allow it some time to download. Okay, just give it some time to download and then you'll install it. Okay, now open the app, then tap to accept. Make sure you just configure everything here smoothly as expected. It's taking some time. Now this app is very simple to use. If you okay, here just set your language to English, then check, then click got it. Now here select WhatsApp and select next, then allow the reader notification and everything. Just allow the permissions, then click use this folder. Okay, then allow. Okay, this one, give it notification access, allow, then click on the arrow back button, allow, then click got it. Just follow every step here. Okay, now if you delete any messages from WhatsApp, from your WhatsApp here, you will be able to view the messages from the recovery app. Okay,